Good afternoon, people.
Welcome to North Wales in Storm Malik.
It's blowing a hoolie.
We're in North Wales on a campsite called, is it Abbey Farm campsite?
Yeah, Abbey Farm.
And within this farm there's an abbey, an actual ruin of an abbey. It's a cracking little spot. We just thought we'd get out and explore the outdoors during a storm, believe it or not. So you might be able to hear that wind in the background, and the van is rocking at the moment. It's gonna be lively tonight.
Let's see what the ocean looks like when we return.
So here's a bird's eye view of the site. We're in a path above it. And if you look down there, there's a lot of pods facing the little small river behind the site. Although that, Jesus Christ, that wind. Oh! You can see me hair blowing in the wind. Now this cap's gonna go in a minute.
I don't even know what part of me here. Oh, it was in that.
Yeah. How is the new coat, babe?
Awesome. Highly recommend it. It's snug as a bug.
Have a look at this evening light on my face. It is stormy, but it's an absolute belter of a night, isn't it?
Yeah.
Say night, times at 3:30. But the sun's just about to. Is it? Yeah. The sun is just about to set over the hills there. He's just surrounded by hills around here, not mountains. Hills, and you know, I would imagine there's 200-300 meters on average per hill, so
it kills us to get up it.
It's a nice place to be, really nice. Hello girls. Actually seen people supping down this canal, and I don't mean like supping as in drinking, stand-up paddleboarding.
We'll see the others later when it goes dark.
The canal is literally a foot deep. It's very calm, so it's an ideal place to come and have a little wander. There's a lady who's happy buying a sleeping bag for a coat. This is Mr. Moocher from ITN News.
Reporting from Abbey Farm campsite.
Please tell us what the hell's going on here.
So we just found this on the site anyway. We've got a vending machine with different types of pots of ice cream, and then your ice lollies. And then we move along. You've got a vending machine where you can buy a glass bottle, which is £2. So you just select it, it comes out, gives you your bottle. Once you've got your empty glass bottle, you can go and use either or. We've got a milkshake machine, So you get your glass bottle, you tilt it under there, and they've got chocolate, salted caramel, creme brulee, bubble gum, flamed orange flavour, milkshake. So that's one option with your bottle. Or you can actually get fresh milk from this machine. So yeah, open the door, put your bottle in there, ooh, close the door, pay, and it'll give you your bottle of fresh milk. How good. And I'm going to get Alan one later because he likes a milkshake.
It milk brilliant.
It's million. Atkins and Stanley, who are they? I don't know what I'm doing, but let's make it up as we go.
So you've just chose slot number 6.
Which is at the top, so I hope it don't drop it.
Oh.
Oh no, there we go. Love this. I'll just keep this milk bottle forever.
Fetch me my milk, Jeeves.
How'd you do it?
Lift to open, it says. Lift underneath the bottom.
Oh right, okay.
Jesus Christ.
Oh yeah.
How do you get on in life?
I told you how everything else worked. Not job.
Oh my god, the size of that. What milkshake do I want?
Creme brulee.
Strawberry, bubblegum, butterscotch, flamed orange, vanilla, creme brulee, salted caramel or chocolate. It's going to have to be creme brulee, isn't it? So it looks like it's £2 for the bottle, which is reusable, and then £1.60 per drink. Try another card.
What? Bit of an anticlimax.
It's not happened.
No, it's not. Might not be. Oh no, he's a good boy. He didn't rip it into teeny tiny pieces. Good lad.
How's the pizza?
This is the pizza making station. So we have cold pizza, cooking pizza, pizza ready to eat, and a pepperoni.
Where's the pizza from?
It's from Domino's. We ordered it last night for our tea. Alan also ordered a side of nachos, so couldn't eat all of his pizza. So we had leftovers. I think 3 slices were my leftovers and the rest were yours.
I had half a pizza left over.
I know. You've done that twice now. I'm worried about you. Proper worried. You alright, mate?
Dickhead. Few things didn't really work out tonight. We went to the bistro restaurant on site and it was closed due to a private function booking the whole thing up. But then we confirmed that they did takeaway. So then we remembered we had leftover Domino's pizza from last night. So we had a few Peronis, chucked the pizza on the Ridgemonkey, and it worked a treat. So 3 slices of pizza each and we were done. So our stomachs are only tiny. Wanted to try and get a night photography, night photo of the van with the Abbey in the distance, in the picture as well. And the motorhome next door has got a light that looks like a fucking UFO's back to land. So we had a little mooch round the other side of the Abbey, and I think I've got a decent photograph of it. Struggled a little bit with focus on a few of the pictures, and then the bloody clouds came in and covered all the stars and that, but I think I've got one that's worth showing you, so if it's any good I'll stick it on the screen. But now we're going to have a cup of tea because we're out of beer, and maybe get an early night. And here's a funny story. Just before the kettle starts boiling and makes too much noise, just got an Instagram message. Got recognised today in B&M. In our local B&M. We went in to buy Oscar a new blanket for his bed and a cushion, and I think it was Les Simon said he recognised us, so I like Les. we woke up to peace and quiet, no wind, and dog poo in the van. But because we feed Oscar raw, his poos are like pebbles, so they're bone dry, rock hard. Just a case of picking it up and leaving it outside.
What are these smells of consistency of Oscar's shit?
Yeah, because they might be thinking, ooh, dog poo in the van, it's all smeared, and no, it's rock hard.
Pebbles, you didn't need to bone dry, rock hard.
So, I've done my husband duties. Sarah's had 2 cups of tea before she got up this morning. So we're just about to make a third. As you can see in the distance there, a great view of the Abbey from the van. I think we read last night that it was founded in just over 1203 or something like that it was. So it's a bit old. Got what I wanted. Got my milkshake. The reason why I couldn't get it last night is because the creme brulee and the vanilla flavouring that I was choosing ran out of syrup. So we went into the shop and they fixed it by saying choose something in stock. Chocolate it is. So I've got what is it? A litre? Maybe? A litre of chocolate milk. Proper good farm fresh milk. It's nice too. Come to Horseshoe Falls and the weather is atrocious. Storm Malik is really kicking our ass at the moment. We've got the river down there, skirting round, and then it drops a couple of feet into rapids where all the kayakers are. But we're just taking the Oscar friendly route, not down a big hill. Top tip, don't come to Horseshoe Falls expecting waterfalls, because literally 2 foot drop, it's basically flat calm water into rapids. It's nice though, well worth coming, just don't expect waterfalls.
It looks like it's man-made, as if they've done it so that you can do your water sports like your whitewater rafting and that.
And our old pensioner Oscar has literally just beasted it up that big hill from down there. Now he's going back to the van for a kip. We have just left Horseshoe Falls, which, as I mentioned earlier, isn't a fall, it's a weir. So then we decided we'd come up to Horseshoe Pass, I came up here as a kid, and I've been mountain biking the other side of the hills there in Llangollen, or Llandegla. So we've just got here just to see what it was like, come up the pass, get some views, and it's really nice. The weather's starting to come in a little bit now. It's a bit windy for the drone, and it's absolutely heaving. So now we're going to go home, hopefully see our YouTube account click over 1,000 subscribers today, and just go and relax, aren't we? The next time you see us,
Iceland.
we'll be going to Iceland, because it's currently Sunday, and we go a week on Tuesday. So a week and 2 days.
Wednesday.
Is it when?
Wednesday.
Anyway, we can do 2 or 3 days. See you there.